So we've adjusted the focal length, film back, height and width. And also make sure your film aspect and pixel aspect ratio is also correct. So once that information is done, we then can start tracking our shot. Now there are different ways to track your footage. You can start from the top, and we can start from the start, and we can start from the end. We're going to start from the beginning of the shot. And this one's a pretty simple footage. It pretty much goes straight down, but there's a lot of micro movements that need to be put into the final product. So we're going to press to get your first tracking marker in. We're going to track this red, this red sign here. We're going to click Alt. We're going to click Control and click, and it brings up this red box. Now on this red box, you can change the sizing, you can change the movements, and you can even rotate it. So here we're going to rotate it so it only highlights the red box. And then we want to click track. Now, if you're zooming in a lot and you want to try and see it centered, on the side here you have these options here, Centered 2D, which pretty much locks the track into the middle of your shot. Almost like, you can pretty much see how the stabilization works, or the method for stabilization. And you can see how much the tracking point is slowly getting unstable. Right now it's sort of in the middle, almost hitting the end. There's a lot of jerky movements at the end of it. Okay, so we have our first tracking dot in. As you can see here, there's the tracking data. Now, in the windows, we're going to bring up a timeline editor. Here's the timeline. Now, I forgot the specifics for it, but you need a specific amount. I think you need like 6 tracking points going more than 20 or so frames to get the right parallax for your camera. So right now we only have 1, and we need at least 6 here to get rid of this white highlight. Because this white highlight here is showing us that, nope, we can't bring you a virtual camera because there's not enough data to go by. So we're going to have to get more points. Now, where you put your tracking point, it will really determine how your camera will be. Now, as you can see, there's a lot of different depths within this scene. Here, I got a depth at the very, very far end. Now, I want to get a point that is pretty close, just to get that really locked off scene. So I'm going to go all the way to this side here, and as you can see, we can see this. What is the most furthest point? Probably this white dot here, this white paint chip. We want to track that, and this will really lock in the scene on all depths. So we're going really far, we're going really far, then really low. Okay, so now we have 2 points, and go to our timeline editor. It's still red, so I need more points. So now we have, from bottom top, we want to get one that's in the middle. So I'm going to try and square off this corner here. Actually, probably, this corner, right in the middle here. Get this texture. Now, since this is showing like a side, we're going to try and mimic that sort of look for it. So we're going to rotate this quite a lot. Try and mix in both points. I forgot to put on the right click in the point browser, and you can delete your points. I'm going to start from the very beginning. Always remember that.